welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this is MummaDunna, and for today's video I am going to show you how I did this kind of effect on my video, and this is what we call the green screen backdrop. So this is just a DIY backdrop that I did, and it's a low budget, I assure it's a low budget DIY green screen backdrop. So before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos in the future, and also don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and I really appreciate it. So for this one, guys, as you can see, my background is green, and there is a feature on video editors such as Chroma key, and Chroma key will enable you or will allow you to erase your background, and you will only have yourself alone that you can overlay on a different or on another image or another video. So just like what you're seeing right now, I'm currently overlaid on another image. So this is what I'm going to show you how I did this, or in just easy steps that I did. So let's go, guys, join me.
So for editing, guys, this is how I overlay my green screen background video onto another image. So I'm gonna show it to you. I'm using Kinemaster video editor, and then on this media part, I'm going to click on that and then grab one photo because I would like to use a photo instead. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick it from PixArt, and then I'll get this one. I would like to have that as my background, and then just extend it, and then I'm going to zoom it out so I can take off the background or the excess background. There you go. Okay. And then it's done, and now it's time for us to overlay my video that has a green background. So just click on the layer and then click media, and then let's add one video. There you go. So that's my video that I want to overlay, and I'm going to take off the background, the green background. So in order for me to do that, I'm going to click on the Chroma key right here and enable it, and it's going to erase the green background. But as you can see, you can still see the shadow of the green color, so I have to blend it. And in order for my image or myself to stand out on the video, so for me to do that, I'm going to lessen the green. There you go, and then increase the person's color. So yeah, just basically blend. You just have to blend it. There you go. So I was already able to achieve the image or the vibrance of the image that I want to overlay. So let's click check, and then there you have it, guys. It's already overlaid, and Of course, we don't want it to look like that, so we have to we need to zoom it in right there. Or we can also put it right there, put it right there. So here, we're gonna put it in the middle first. And so let's try to play it. Here you go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this is MummaDunna
and there are some other stuff that you can do as well, like perhaps transfer yourself into different parts of the video. So we can try to trim it and then just split it on the playhead, and then click this second part right here, and then you can just basically transfer there. So what's gonna happen is, I'm gonna show you.
my channel.
I'm on the middle,
If you're new to my channel,
and then on that part I'm gonna go to the left side. There you go.
So there you have it, guys. It's simple as that. You just have to put green background, either paper or fabric, onto the wall, and then you're just going to record a video using your green background, and you can overlay yourself into another video or another image effortlessly. So that's it, and thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for more videos on my channel. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell as well. So thank you so much for watching, and stay positive. Bye.